Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 2, we have 1 plus 1. This is about identity. So I can put into x plus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Now we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about dx equals to secant of t square dt. So number 3, that is about 1 plus 2. So this one we change by tan t. Similar for this one. About dx, we change by this one. So this one you got about secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, we have secant of t. Now we need to simplify secant of t on numerator and denominator. Secant of t multiplied by tan t and number 2. The integration of this one, you got about secant of t. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and then we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equals to tan of x plus 1. So we need to change t into tan of x plus 1. So we know that tan with arctan, you got about x plus 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.